What happens when stuntmen refuse to perform a dangerous stunt, and actors have to take their place? This is exactly what occurred on the set of The Pirates of Blood River. The consequences were severe, with one actor nearly drowning and another hospitalized with an eye infection. Let's explore this shocking incident and its psychological implications. The Pirates of Blood River was a 1962 British adventure film, directed by John Gilling and starring Christopher Lee, Oliver Reed, and Michael Ripper. The movie's plot involves a group of pirates who terrorize a small island community. But what happened behind the scenes was just as dramatic as the film itself. The incident in question involved a scene where the actors had to wade through a lake. The stuntmen, responsible for performing the more dangerous stunts, refused to do this particular scene. As a result, the actors had to take their place, with disastrous consequences. But what drives individuals to take such risks? Research in psychology suggests that our perception of risk is influenced by various cognitive biases. For example, the availability heuristic leads us to overestimate the importance of vivid, memorable events, while the affect heuristic leads us to make decisions based on our emotions rather than facts. These biases can have serious consequences in high-risk situations like film production. Group dynamics also play a crucial role in decision-making, especially in high-pressure environments like film sets. The desire to conform to group norms and avoid conflict can lead individuals to take unnecessary risks. In the case of the Pirates of Blood River, the actors may have felt pressured to perform the stunt despite the stuntman's refusal. Michael Ripper, one of the actors involved in the incident, nearly drowned during the filming of the lake scene. Christopher Lee, who was also present, stated that he was only saved by being 6 feet 4 inches. Oliver Reed, another actor involved in the incident, suffered an eye infection that left him hospitalized. This serves as a reminder of the potential health consequences of taking unnecessary risks. In film production, safety protocols and emergency preparedness are essential to preventing such incidents. The incident on the set of The Pirates of Blood River highlights the need for robust safety protocols and emergency preparedness in film production. This includes providing proper training, equipment, and medical support to actors and stuntmen. By prioritizing safety, we can minimize the risk of accidents and ensure a smooth filming process. In addition to safety protocols, it's essential to address the psychological factors that contribute to risk-taking behavior. This includes recognizing cognitive biases, promoting a culture of safety, and encouraging open communication among team members. By doing so, we can create a safer and more supportive environment for actors, stuntmen, and film crew members. The story of the Pirates of Blood River serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of prioritizing safety and addressing psychological factors in film production. By learning from this incident, we can improve our understanding of risk perception, decision-making, and group dynamics, ultimately creating a safer and more responsible film industry. In conclusion, the incident on the set of The Pirates of Blood River highlights the complex interplay between psychological factors, risk perception, and decision-making in film production. By recognizing these factors and prioritizing safety, we can create a more responsible and supportive environment for actors, stuntmen, and film crew members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more psychology-related content. Join the conversation in the comments below, and share your thoughts on the importance of safety protocols and psychological factors in film production.